Hello everybody. I wanted to do this for a while. I just never had time, but I want to do an unboxing and review of this wonderful product, the Remington vacuum trimmer, right? I got this not too long ago, but just didn't get a chance to open it. So I want to do that, and I want to trim my beard and show you guys how it works, right? So just bear with me. All right, so I'm gonna just open this right now. Pop open. Get the little thing out. Open it, right? Looks like it's packed really well. We'll take it out. Alright. First thing there's a bunch of little small accessories that came with it. So it looks like it's hair clips to hold your hair back. I guess it's either for guys with long hair or neutral. You know, I kind of need to clip my hair back at times. As you can see, like in the middle, I have kind of like longish hair, but not really long, right? All right, adjust that a little bit. I have to rip it off. There's a comb, right? There's these scissors. I like these scissors particularly. They're a little bit longer. It's to get the edges of the mustache, right? You have the oil to oil up your machine all the time. The brush to clean the machine, right? And then these clippers, hair clips. Not clippers, sorry, the hair clips. Good thing about these hair clips, again, you know, when you're trimming your hair or something, it's good to just hold them back up in spot. And I completely messed that up. So like, I want to hold this spot, right there. I can hold it up, but then I can get on the sides, right? All right. The next thing there is, you can take out is the actual clipper itself. It's big and bulky. I'm not really used to something this big, but I think this is designed for your hair, right? What I'm used to for more trimmer size is something like this for my beard. However, you know, this is something that if you want to get not maybe so much trimming your beard, lining it up, but more of just getting rid of that bulkiness like I have. My beard's been getting way too long. So I'm gonna be using this to just trim this down to very nice and thin. You know, I haven't had that thin in a while. And then you also get this bag, this little pouch. It's great. I think it's a pretty great deal, and you get the storage with it as well. Seems pretty decent quality. Inside is just like hard plastic kind of material. Outside is just the regular baggy material. I don't know what it's called, but that's what you get. Seems like everything can go in here pretty well, right? And then, of course, we have the add-ons, the clipper sizes in the front. So let's open that up. So you have the big one to just if you don't want your hair to be too small. This is the 1-inch one. And then you have all the way up to small, which is the 3mm one, right? This is very, very thin. This is probably, actually no, my hair right now is still a little bit longer than that. Maybe my hair was done around this size, but that's what you get. Seems to be pretty good. Seems to be very, you know, decent. It's not the hardest thing, but for a clipper, I think this is good plastic. You know, you don't need something heavy. I think it's pretty good. So that's basically all you get in this box. Also, you will get the instruction manual. I don't know when's the last time I read the instruction manual. Seems like, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have the clipper, which let me take the plastic off. Again, they did a really good job taping this. It's difficult to take the tape off. All right. The other clipper seems like, you know, when you trim, the hair gets trapped in here, and then you can take it off and then dispose it. It looks like this. Well, maybe that's the way to turn it on. Maybe I should read the instructions. All right, so it just slides back out. If you're gonna put it in, you pop it in place, push it in. If not, you just slide it back towards you, and it comes right off. Right? Very easy, very simple. Doesn't seem too difficult, but you know, we can try it out, see what happens. All right, so I just took this part off from here, and looks like the hair gets pulled in, sucked in from this side. So that's pretty good. You know, if this takes care of the mess, this is very, very good product. Before I was using this that I got for like $1 or $2, I think. And then you just put it around your neck, and you take the sucky thing, the sucky part of it, the suction, you know, the air suction, whatever you call them, and just put it in and you put it up, right? This is what I was using before. Honestly, this is a great product. For $2, it was a great investment. I've been using it for about 3 years, or 2.5 years now. I love it. Like, it takes care of the mess. And I have really thick hair, so all the hair gets trapped in here as much as it can, so it decreases the mess. Trust me, like before, I wouldn't do that, then I have to clean it up. After a while, it's just like painful. You know, I'm glad there was a solution like this. However, with this product, hopefully I don't have to go through that mess. So I'm gonna use it for the first time, just to see how much mess it still makes. But if it's good, then I might not even need to use this after a while, right? Actually, no, I still would, because I still need the small trimmer to get the line right, and the beard, and and the mustache, trim down the mustache. But this is good for like the overall, so we can try it out, right? All right, so this looks like it's on. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Hopefully I can see without them. Actually, I'm not that blind, come on. All right, so let's try it. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, it's not too loud. I expect it to be louder, but it's really lightweight. You know, it's not that bad as far as the sound. You know, in person when you hear it, it's not super loud. It's not overpowering, and honestly, the product is very lightweight. So it's actually pretty good so far. Let's try it out. Let's try it on my beard, see how that goes, and I'll walk you through, right? All right, so here it goes. So it is trapping here, right? It's trapping here. I'll show you guys. But it is also not trapping all of the hair, so I still have some hair falling. Again, you know, my beard is super long. It's very, very thick, so I expect some excess hair to be falling, but seems like there's a lot of hair. I thought it's gonna be trapping more. However, I mean, that's still a pretty decent amount just for what I did. You know, you can see the hair got trapped in here, right? So let's see. Let's see how much we can get done. Doesn't seem like it'd be too difficult to clean out. You just turn it upside down and then shake it. But I have to comb my hair real quick, because otherwise it's getting caught, just because it's so thick. And that's why I'm combing it right now, to make it straight, so when I cut it, it doesn't get caught. Otherwise, it's kind of painful, you know. All right, here we go. It's a lot of hair that got trapped. You see it? A lot of hair, so that's good. Yes, I still have a mess on my sheet, but you know, that's why I'm glad I still use it. I'll show you how much is on here, but it's not as much as what was once used to before, you know. Let me just kind of gather it up so you can see how much it's all together. There, let me show you. All right, you see, like it's not, I mean, it's still decent amount, but I had to really take care of it right before you saw, right? And then look at it, it's not as much, so. Hey, it's working. Now what I have to do is my mustache left. You know, what I usually do after I trim, I take a blade, a razor blade to sharpen, to get the sharp, like crisp line on my beard. I don't use the one blade yet. I'm a little bit scared. I just need to practice. There's videos on YouTube that you can use the one razor blade. I can post those up. But for me, I still use the the double blade with the line with the handlebar. That just you can just use to actually regular shave. I get that from, I'm not advertising anything, but I get that from Dollar Shave Club. It's pretty good. I don't have the most expensive one. I have the cheapest one actually, which works well for me. I have really sensitive skin. I don't shave every day or trim my beard every day, but I do it once every couple of days, and I think it works fine. If you guys want to try that, you know, let me know how it goes. I can also post a link below as well. Again, I'm not advertising for them. I'm not getting paid by them. But this is something I like, so I figured I can share with you guys. So far, this product, Remington, has been pretty good. You know, no complaints. I do like it. I think it's definitely worthwhile. As long as it keeps the suction up, how it did today, you know, hopefully then it turns out to be a very good product. As of right now, it's a pass. I think I like it. I'm gonna keep it. It is a lot bigger than what I expected, so I think this is for your head, your hair. But I trimmed my beard with it, as you guys saw. You know, like it's very nice and thin now compared to what it was before. So I'm happy with it. You know, I think it's a pretty good investment. All right. I'm not gonna keep you guys here while I trim the rest of my mustache. If you guys do want me to do that, just let me know in the comment below. I can maybe create another video how I trim my mustache and my beard to get the crisp line. I can definitely show you guys, but I just want to do a review on this Remington product. It wasn't that much. I actually got it for about $30. So if you guys can find it online, $30, I think it's not bad for something that took me that quick. You know, went through the whole process very, very quick as far as getting that trimmed. Before I was using the smaller one. These kind of trimmers, which they're very good, but they took so long just to get the whole beard in. But I think as far as the whole beard goes, this is a pretty good product. All right.